Welcome to the Animal Alphabet Adventure by Master Albright. Learning the alphabet is fun, but it's even more exciting when we add some wild animals into the mix. From alligators to zebras, every letter of the alphabet has an amazing animal to help you remember it. As we go through each letter, you'll also learn how to spell the name of the animal. Let's start exploring the alphabet, one animal at a time. Ready? Let's go!
A for alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R, alligator. B for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F for fox. F-O-X, fox. G for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. I for iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. J for jaguar. J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. L for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N for newt. N-E-W-T, newt. O for owl. O-U-L, owl. P for penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S for snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. U for urial. U-R-I-A-L, urial. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. V for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. X for x-ray tetra. X-R-A-Y-T-E-T-R-A, x-ray tetra. E for yak. Yak-A, yak. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. For watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We've got a lot more exciting videos coming your way, so stay tuned.